Hey guys, Dr. Axe here, doctor of natural medicine and founder of draxe.com. In this video, I'll be sharing with you unexpected causes of dementia, and I guarantee some of these are really going to surprise you. And this is important for anybody, whether somebody has been diagnosed with dementia or you yourself just want to prevent it for yourself or a loved one in the future. You've got to know these tips on how to naturally prevent dementia and the unexpected causes. Let's start here. This might surprise you. Did you know that certain medications actually cause dementia? Now, there's two reasons for this. One is due to toxicity. Specifically, we found certain medications that may cause you to be drowsy or to sleep can actually increase your risk of dementia. In fact, there were 4 companies that were called out because they found that their medications were causing dementia. And here's another thing to think about. Did you know that every medication out there, not one or two, all medications, if you're on a medication, they actually leach vitamins and minerals from your body. So many popular drugs today pull vitamins from your body. Example is diabetic drugs actually pull vitamin B12 from your body. Cholesterol-lowering drugs pull coenzyme Q10 from your body, and certain drugs, especially those NSAIDs or painkillers, actually, and drugs that cause you to go to sleep, will actually leach zinc from your body. We know zinc is important for your gut health, for your brain health, and for your entire immune system. So again, a lot of popular drugs actually leach and pull vitamins and minerals from your body so they can cause dementia. Number 2, unexpected cause of dementia: diet soda. That's right, diet soda contains aspartame. Most of it contains aspartame. Now, some of it contains sucralose, but we know aspartame specifically actually acts as a neurotoxin. And part of what happens in dementia is this sort of neurodegeneration affecting the synapses in the brain. Diet soda and aspartame are neurotoxic to the body, as is sucralose, which also contains high levels of chlorine and it can cause cellular toxicity. So again, staying away from diet soda, switching over to something natural is a good option. Now, I do want to mention this as well, something to think about. If you are going to do a soda, switch over and use a natural soda that contains something like stevia. Is going to be a much better option than aspartame or sucralose. Number 3, copper in water. Now, something you may not realize, a lot of times throughout history, people have been drinking water out of copper pipes. And when they do that, there's obviously going to be a lot of copper in the water. Well, if you have too much copper in your diet, it lowers your zinc absorption. So important thing to know about. So similar thing, if you have too much zinc, it actually depletes your copper. You have too much copper, you don't absorb as much zinc. So here's the truth. If you, growing up, you may not even have realized it, but you drank out of a house made with copper pipes, what that can do, or maybe you're taking a supplement that has lots of copper. Now, copper does have some benefits. It can kill parasites, certain types of microorganisms, but if you get too much of it in your body will not absorb zinc properly. Remember, zinc is important for all the things I talked about, from your brain to your gut health, and we know your gut, if you have things leak through the gut with a condition like leaky gut, it will then affect the brain. So again, stay away from having too much copper. Make sure you have plenty of zinc in your diet as well. Number 4 here is pesticides. We know pesticides, just like medications, cause toxicity to the body and cause neurodegeneration. Again, toxins especially will affect your liver. Your liver is responsible in part for supporting the health of your brain. In fact, your liver is what produces cholesterol to support your body in the healing process. So staying away from pesticides that can be toxic to the brain and the liver is critical for preventing dementia, Alzheimer's, and other dementia conditions. Lack of purpose. This might surprise you, but actually medical studies have found when people struggle with depression, when people have a lack of purpose, it increases their risk of dementia and Alzheimer's. This happens if you don't have a reason to go out and learn and a reason for being around. Your body naturally starts to decay and degenerate. Having a sense of purpose is so important. Think about people that you know that have a lot of joy and purpose in life. They kind of have a glow about them. They just are really excited. And that's just, that's them having a lot of what we would term in Chinese medicine, qi or life. When somebody has that lack of purpose, they age faster, they start to degenerate faster, Purpose is crucial. Number 6 here, poor oral health. Did you know that you've got lots of microbes in your mouth? Now, we tend to hear about your microbiome, which resides in your colon and small intestine, but your microbiome doesn't end there. In fact, it starts in your mouth. And there are actually medical studies showing that if you have bad microorganisms and bacteria in your mouth and not enough good bacteria, it increases your risk of dementia, of Alzheimer's, of heart disease, increases your risk of weight gain and a number of other health problems. So keeping your oral health top notch is really important as well. So again, and what I would say in order to do this, you want to supplement with probiotics. You want to be getting probiotics in your diet, and you want to nix the sugar and refined grains from your diet will really help with this. And number 7 here, inactivity. Medical studies have shown that if somebody is not active, not exercising, not going for walks daily, just having a lack of activity, they are at greater risk of dementia there as well. So something to think about is just staying active and exercising is a great way to naturally fight dementia, promote brain health. We know it improves circulation and nutrient absorption throughout your body. When you're having more circulation, it helps nutrients get to other areas and other organs of your body. So we know inactivity. And then last thing I'll say here, an unexpected cause of dementia is when people retire or stop learning. Learning has been shown to fight dementia. So whether you're doing puzzles, or you learn a new language, or I know most people aren't going to go out and learn a new language, but learning something, being engaged in things actually helps fight dementia. So the last bonus one here is when you stop learning, that actually increases your risk of dementia. So listen, there are millions of people that struggle with dementia that may have it and haven't been diagnosed yet. And I'll tell you, if you've ever had a loved one who's experienced Alzheimer's or dementia, it can be crippling not only for them, but crippling for the family members. And it's something that we never want to see anyone go through. So listen, if you really want to prevent dementia, hey, start following these tips we talked about or avoiding all of these things. And also, hey, check out an article I recently wrote online. Just Google search my name, Dr. Axe Alzheimer's or Dr. Axe Dementia, and you'll find articles where I go through the top supplements, vitamins, and foods that will help you naturally fight dementia. You can also search Dr. Axe Alzheimer's here on YouTube and find more information here as well. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more information coming out on natural remedies like essential oils and supplements and how to use food as medicine to take your health to the next level. Hi, Dr. Axe here. I want to say thanks so much for checking out this YouTube video, and also don't forget to subscribe if you want to get more great content on things like herbs, essential oils, natural remedies, and how to use food as medicine. Also, check out more of our content on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.